Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha and welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. Today I am going to show you how to make herbal tea. It's a natural immunity booster and helps reduce cold, cough and other respiratory disorders. It helps cure indigestion and loss of appetite. Let's check out the ingredients now. For the herbal tea, we are going to need 1 teaspoon of tulsi powder. I made it using dried tulsi leaves. 1 small piece of ginger mashed, some tulsi leaves, some lemongrass. Turn on the flame. Add 1 cup of water and bring it to boil. Now add all the ingredients into it. And stir it a little bit. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. You can stir it occasionally if required. Now I am going to strain it. After straining it, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey or you can skip it. The tea is now ready to serve hot. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Dream Life Diaries. Thank you.